Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. Like in the previous video we have learned about many things. We have just learned about what are hooks at a glance in React 18. In today's video I will be telling you about event handling. What is event handling in React 18, and we have just learned about event listeners in JavaScript. So like that we are also having event handling, and event handling is used in React 18 and React plus React.js, but event listener is only used in JavaScript. There are many types of event like event listener. There is one normal event as well, and then this is the third event which is called event handling, and it is only used in React.js, and React.js is the framework of JavaScript like I've telling you. So because of that we will be using React 18 as a framework of JavaScript to use this event handling, and we will be including two languages in that. One will be JavaScript and one will be React 18. So in JavaScript file, we'll be writing all the codes of this event handling and be telling you what is event handling, how to use it in React 18, and how what the interface you will be getting when you will be building anything using event handling. So just remember to see this video if you want to learn how to use event handling and how to build project using event handling, and also hit a like to this video. And if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos, and share this video also so more people can learn about these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, so remember to check that out because that will also giving you help. So just I hope you'll be understanding today's video as well. So just we'll be starting with today's video and seeing what is event handling in React 18. But before that, you can check my previous videos which I have uploaded related to React 18, because that will giving you help if you want to let React 18 stuff from start to end. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is event handling in React 18 from start. So just like in the previous video, we have just learned about what is state, and we have also learned about many different things as well. So in today's video I will be telling you about what is event handling. So just now we'll be starting with that, and I'll be telling you what is event handling. Like in the demo I've telling you that it is similar to event listener like we used in JavaScript. So just difference is that we are using this event handling in React 18, and the difference was JavaScript was that we were using event listener in JavaScript. So just now we'll be starting with that and seeing what is event handling and how to use it using this amazing React 18. So for using event handling, you have to open your VS Code, and then you have to open your Microsoft Edge as well. So this was the folder in which we are working. This was our folder app1. So we'll be working with this. We are getting our app.js file in which we are getting all the tags here. In the previous video we have learned about hooks at a glance. This was the tags of that video. So now in this video I will be telling you about what is this amazing event handling here. So like in the previous video we have just imported all the stuff of hooks, then we have just written the text about hooks, like if it is working or not we have to check that. And if in the state one video I've also telling you the same step, but now in this video there will be not the step of any import or any of like library downloading step, just we have to directly work here. So now for working with this amazing event handling, you have to first of all write a tag here. So you have to write here event handling directly like this. Now if I write here event handling like this, so if I just show you, you will be getting some error here. If I write this is event handler like this, save this, then you can see we are getting this is event handler. But if I show you in spec, so we will be now moving to console directly from here. After moving to console, you can see we are just getting at the front end perfectly fine, but at the back end you can see we are getting some of the error. It is saying that warning, the tag hooks is so you don't have to do that, leave this, move down. Here it is saying that here just it is saying that this event handling is using incorrect casing, means it has been not inputting and using incorrect casing, because this handling h has been capital and this e is small. Because of that it is saying that it is using incorrect casing, and it is saying that use Pascal case for React component, means it is saying you have to use case lower case letters to write any tag in React 18. Now it is also saying that you have to just use Pascal case for React component or lowercase for HTML elements. So we are not writing any of the HTML elements, we are only using React 18 stuff. So we will be now writing it in lowercase. So now we have just written in lowercase, but this h will be capital, remember that. So now this h is capital, and because of that we are getting this text here which is called, this is event handler, which is fine in our browser. Just I'll be taking this T capital. So here now if I do that, you can see this T has been turned into capital, and now we are getting this all stuff. Here we are just getting this, the tag event handling is unrecognized, means it is unrecognized in this browser, because this is the old version browser. In previous videos I've also telling you, and I've also just telling you, if you want to render this tags here, so you have to use a React component, but we are working with React 18, so we don't have to use any of the React component here as well. Now we are just getting this event handling is using incorrect casing, then it's saying use Pascal case for React component, so we will be using Pascal case for React component, but in this video we are not using any of the React component. Because of that, we don't have to use any Pascal case, we have to only use lowercase for HTML element, because these tags, means these are the tags which is used in React 18 are called HTML elements, so we have to use lowercase letters for that, and we are using here just this H should be capital, like I've telling you. So like this you can work with this event handling, and like this you can just see how was, or you can say how many rules are for this amazing React 18 stuff, and how many rules you have to use to work with this React 18. So like this you have to just use these all rules here to work with React 18, and I hope you understand this video in which I've telling you about React 18. So if you have understand this video and enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos, and also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things, and I'll be uploading more videos like that in future. Just you have to hit a like, subscribe, and also share this so more people can learn about these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future that will be giving you help. So just you have to see that all previous videos as well which I have uploaded related to React 18, because that will be giving you help. So just now we'll be meeting in next video with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.